Hi, this is Joe with Vortex Optics. We're here today to talk to you about the Diamondback rifle scope series. The Diamondback has a reputation in the industry for one of the best hunting scopes your money can buy. The Diamondback comes in various configurations and reticles, which you'll see here. Let's take a minute to walk you through this amazing rifle scope. Starting at the front of the scope, all lenses are fully multi-coated for crystal clear, bright images from dawn to dusk. Going onto the tube, it's a solid one-piece aircraft-grade aluminum tube for superior durability and shockproof. Internally, the scope is argon purged and O-ring sealed for a lifetime of waterproof and fog-proof performance. Moving on to the turrets, they're metal-on-metal precision turrets that offer the ability to zero reset after sight-in. Again, as we move inside the scope, we have a precision glide erector system which ensures accurate tracking and repeatability. And then as we make our way to the back of the scope, we have a fast focus eye.
Hey, it's John here from Leupold. I'm a former Army sniper, a current long-range instructor, and an avid backcountry hunter. Here's a look at our VX-Freedom rifle scope. This scope is beautifully simple. It'll go toe-to-toe with any optic that you own. When you send the first couple rounds down range, you're going to want to make sure that every rifle in your safe has a VX-Freedom on it. It comes with our advanced Twilight light management system, which is all about helping you see more in less light. Its combination of technologies means spending another 15 to 30 minutes hunting or shooting as the sun's coming up or going down. Check out our video on our patented Twilight light management system for all the details. We back up its outstanding optical performance with legendary rugged construction that won't let you down. Like all Leupold rifle scopes, the VX-Freedom is Punisher tested and verified. That means it goes through the same impact testing, extreme climate exposure, and pressure testing as our military optics. And we make a VX-Freedom for everybody. There's an AR-specific model, a muzzleloader model, a Scout model, a rimfire model, and a 450 Bushmaster model. And it's available with our incredibly popular custom dial system. That means that you can get a custom turret built for your exact rifle and ammo.